Ever watched a plane lumber into the sky, weighed down like a hippo in a hot air balloon? Don't be that hippo. Traveling light is about more than just avoiding excess baggage fees, though that's a definite plus. It's about freedom. Freedom from lugging around a suitcase that's heavier than a baby elephant. Freedom to navigate crowded train stations without breaking a sweat. Freedom to say yes to spontaneous adventures without worrying about your luggage holding you back. Imagine this. You've just landed in Rome. The sun is shining, the pizza smells divine, and you're ready to explore. But wait, there's a massive queue for the baggage carousel. Not you, though. You stroll past the exasperated travelers, grab your compact backpack, and head straight out to soak up the Italian sunshine. That's the beauty of traveling light. It's about experiencing the world unburdened, with a spring in your step and a sense of liberation that only comes from packing light. So ditch the heavy suitcase and embrace the minimalist packing mantra. Less is more. Trust me, your back and your stress levels will thank you. Less is more. Right, let's talk practicality. Why pack light? Well, picture this. You're late for your flight, sprinting through the airport like a gazelle on a sugar rush. Suddenly, disaster. Your suitcase, packed tighter than a clown car, bursts open, spewing forth a torrent of socks and underwear for all the world to see. Not a good look. Packing light eliminates this risk. A smaller bag means easier navigation, quicker packing and unpacking, and less chance of resembling a walking laundry basket. Plus, let's not forget the dreaded airline baggage fees. Those extra kilos can really add up, leaving your wallet lighter and your mood considerably gloomier. But it's not just about convenience and saving money. Packing light forces you to be more mindful about what you actually need. It's about prioritizing the essentials and leaving behind the just-in-case items that often end up unused and forgotten at the bottom of your bag. All right, enough with the horror stories. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty of packing light. First up, versatile clothing. Think neutral colors and simple designs that can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits. Leave the Hawaiian shirt and those neon green trousers at home. Nobody wants to see that. Next, toiletries. Do you really need that entire bottle of shampoo for a weekend trip? Downsize to travel-size containers, or better yet, embrace the liberating world of solid toiletries. They're lighter, less messy, and won't explode in your bag, always a bonus. Now, let's talk multifunctional items. A sarong can be a beach cover-up, a scarf, a picnic blanket, or even a makeshift curtain. A microfiber towel dries quickly and takes up a fraction of the space of a regular towel. Get creative and think outside the box, or suitcase in this case. Finally, master the art of efficient packing. Rolling your clothes instead of folding them not only saves space, but also minimizes wrinkles. Use packing cubes to compress your clothes even further and keep your bag organized. Remember, a well-packed bag is a happy bag and a happy traveler. Section 4, Real-World Minimalist Packing, my triumph over excess baggage. I'll admit, I wasn't always a minimalist packing convert. I used to be that guy struggling through airports with a suitcase the size of a small car. But then I had an epiphany. I was on a trip to the Scottish Highlands, and my massive suitcase became more of a hindrance than a help. It was then I vowed to change my ways. My first attempt at minimalist packing was a revelation. I managed to fit everything I needed for a week-long trip into a small backpack. And you know what? I didn't miss a single thing. In fact, I felt liberated. I could move freely, explore without restrictions, and my back thanked me for it. Since then, I've become a minimalist packing evangelist, spreading the gospel of traveling light to anyone who will listen. And the best part? It's contagious. My friends and family, initially skeptical, have now joined the minimalist packing movement, experiencing firsthand the joys of traveling unburdened. Section 5. Embrace the freedom of minimalist packing. So there you have it. Minimalist packing isn't about deprivation. It's about freedom. It's about choosing experiences over possessions, adventure over excess baggage. It's about embracing the liberating feeling of traveling light and experiencing the world unburdened. Imagine this. You're strolling through the bustling streets of Tokyo, soaking up the vibrant energy and endless possibilities. You're not weighed down by a heavy suitcase. Your mind is free from packing anxieties, and you're open to whatever adventures come your way. That's the magic of minimalist packing. It's about simplifying your travel experience, focusing on what truly matters, discovering new cultures, connecting with people, and creating unforgettable memories. So, ditch the what if mentality, embrace the less is more philosophy, and unlock the transformative power of minimalist packing. Section 6. Minimalist packing, your ticket to unforgettable adventures. In a world obsessed with accumulating stuff, minimalist packing is a breath of fresh air. It's a reminder that true happiness doesn't come from material possessions, but from experiences, connections, and a sense of freedom. So, next time you pack for a trip, remember this: less is more. Pack light, travel smart, and open yourself up to a world of possibilities, because the greatest adventures are often experienced with the lightest of loads.